Welcome to the corporate presentation of First Andes Silver. Today we will explore our high-grade silver, gold, and base metals projects in Peru and Australia. This presentation includes forward-looking statements about future events and performance. In connection with the forward-looking statements contained in this presentation, the company has made assumptions based on information and/or beliefs currently available to the company. Although the company believes that the assumptions inherent in the forward-looking statement are reasonable, forward-looking statements are not a guarantee of future performance, and accordingly, undue reliance should not be put on such information. Our team has a proven track record with over $3.9 billion in mergers and acquisitions deals. We own the high-grade Santas Gloria Silver Project in Peru, located in a prolific epithermal silver-gold belt. With 23 epithermal veins and significant silver grades, we are preparing a 2026 drill program supported by local communities and excellent infrastructure. Our team boasts extensive experience in mergers and acquisitions transactions, exceeding $3.9 billion Canadian. Colin Smith, Chief Executive Officer, has over 20 years in exploration and mergers and acquisitions. Ian Stalker, Executive Chairman, has led projects across multiple sectors. Charles Hethy, a seasoned securities lawyer, and Patrick Hickey, with 40 years in engineering, bring invaluable expertise. Chris Wilson, Chief Geologist, specializes in global exploration. James Hutton has had noted success in raising billions of dollars for many successful exploration companies. The capital structure includes 67.96 million common shares, 3.06 million options, 8.15 million warrants, and 2.25 million restricted stock units, totaling 81.42 million fully diluted shares. Market capitalization stands at $12 million Canadian, a relatively low valuation compared to its peers. Ownership is split between insiders and close associates at 40% and retail and institutions at 60% as of January 21, 2026. These options, warrants, and restricted share units should provide a non-dilutive source of capital as the company moves its projects forward with potential accretive events and further de-risking. The Santas Gloria project in Peru offers a first-mover opportunity in a high-grade epithermal system. Spanning 1,100 hectares, it's located 55 kilometers east of Lima. Despite being largely undrilled, over 12 kilometers of veins have been mapped, with high grades reported. Modern exploration began in 2020, revealing strong silver intercepts and favorable metallurgy. The 2024 drill program at Santas Gloria, Peru, marked the project's first drilling effort. It targeted 4 vein systems, with 12 holes totaling 1,175 meters. Notably, strong silver intervals were returned from all veins, including San Jorge, Tembladera, Maribel, and Paquita. The drilling intercepted shallow oxide zones, with higher-grade sulphide zones open at depth. In the 2025 drill program, 14 holes were drilled over 2,025 meters, targeting the San Jorge vein. Notably, 11 of these holes returned strong silver intervals. The program continues to intercept supergene oxidized zones, with primary sulphide mineralization remaining open and untested at depth. In the 2025 drill program follow-up, every drilled hole intercepted the epithermal structure. The primary higher-grade sulphide zone will be targeted at depth in the 2026 Phase 3 program. Mineralization remains open in all directions, indicating significant potential for further exploration. The 2026 Phase 3 drill program targets the high-grade Tembladera vein, which remains largely undrilled. With a cumulative strike length of approximately 4 kilometers, underground channel samples have shown over 16,000 grams per ton silver. The vein is open and undrilled down dip and along strike, presenting significant exploration potential. The San Jorge vein, with a 2.7-kilometer strike, has shown promising results. Of 21 holes drilled, 18 returned strong silver intercepts, primarily in the oxide horizon. This suggests a preserved sulphide system at depth, with further drilling planned for the third quarter of 2026 to explore these high-grade intercepts. The 2025 to 2026 exploration program targets 23 intermediate sulfidation epithermal veins, with over 12 kilometers of strike. Systematic efforts include completed Worldview 3 spectral mapping, ongoing soil sampling, and follow-up mapping. Ground geophysics and drill permitting are planned for 2026, aiming to unlock the property's discovery potential. Worldview 3 spectral alteration mapping has identified a 1.3 by 2 kilometer alteration cell. This cell aligns with several undrilled veins, totaling over 5 kilometers of strike. It features a mineral assemblage typical of an intermediate sulfidation epithermal system, similar to the high-grade San Jorge and Tembladera vein systems. The Santas Gloria project presents a significant opportunity with its first-ever property-wide soil sampling. Covering all 23 known veins, Phase 1 is complete with 1,037 samples taken. Phase 2 will begin in Q2 2026, targeting the southern half and alteration cell with 1,430 samples. The Morococha mining camp hosts multiple mines with excess mill capacity, ideal for high-grade silver-based metal feed. Located 40 to 50 kilometers from Santas Gloria, these facilities offer a chance to reduce timeline and capital expenditure for cash flow. Local Peruvian miners can supply underground miners and equipment, enhancing operational efficiency. In New South Wales, Australia, First Andes has acquired 3 large silver-gold exploration projects, covering 454 square kilometers in the Lachlan Orogen in New South Wales. This portfolio includes historic mines with high-grade silver and gold, such as Carrington and Stony Creek. The acquisition aligns with First Andes' strategy, offering exploration opportunities while advancing the Santas Gloria Silver Project. Our corporate team excels in delivering shareholder value, backed by deep technical expertise in epithermal systems. Santas Gloria, with 12 kilometers of mapped veins, is underexplored. The 2025-2026 program marks its first systematic evaluation. We anticipate consistent news flow, leveraging favorable metallurgy and local facilities amid a strong precious metals market. Thank you for your time, and we can be contacted at the email below. With all that First Andes offers on many different projects, investors can look forward to news flow and potential further positive exploration results while the company de-risks its assets.